Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to resolve slow browser issues. Doesn't matter the kind of internet browser you are using. Just follow these simple steps and subscribe. It works out for you. Go to your Windows search bar and type run RUN, and when that pops up, type inetcpl.cpl and click OK, and go to connections up there, as you can see, and click on it, and then select LAN settings downwards. And when that pops up, make sure that the first box is checked that says automatically dictate your internet. Make sure that is checked and the other three boxes are unchecked. Click OK and apply, and that will make your system to browse faster. And let me show you the second method if this first method fails to work out for you. Go to your Windows search bar, type run as before, and then when that pops up, type prefetch, prefetch, and click OK, and that will bring up the list of all the temporary files and folders that tend to clog your browsing speed and make them backwards. Just make sure you select all of them by going to your keyboard and pressing Ctrl A to select all of them. And then once that is done, just right click and make sure all the temporary files are deleted. Make sure all these files are deleted, and keep on pressing skip if this pops up, and that will make your system to be clean right from inside out, and you are going to enjoy a very fast browsing speed. Once that is done, restart your system. And if this works out for you, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video with your friends. Thanks.